This is Kizayo Queer Danila, and welcome to Tagum City, a fast-growing, highly urbanized, and now recently recognized as the third most competitive component cities here in the Philippines. The city is filled with vast and abundant diversity of culture and different industries that sustains the livelihood of all the Tagueños. So, ano ba ang maganda dito sa Tagum? Did you know that Tagum was once called Initagem or Initagom, means lost world according to the Maranaos? Contrary to what you can see right now, the once was called a lost world is actually now a modern and high-class city that you can find here in the Philippines. Also, the foreigners who went here, they say they are so impressed with this California-like sceneries of the city because of those palm trees that are graciously arrayed along the highway. And that is probably why this city is called the City of Palm Trees. Just like its neighboring cities like Davao, Tagum is soon to be going to be a metro city here in Davao region. So why would you invest here at Tagum City? First off, because it is strategically located. So you can find this city at the heart of Davao del Norte and is at the seat of the provincial government. So the increase in the city's IRA made it possible for the city to undertake massive and infrastructural projects, particularly the main road networks that is vital to its economy. Second, because of its progressive economy. So tourism, agriculture, commercial businesses make it possible for the city to sustain its progressive economy, making it a city with first-class income. And also, we have this ongoing and upcoming infrastructural projects, just like this cultural and historical center. And we have also this stadium, railway station from Tagum City to any point in Mindanao, and also this airport, Tagum Global Medical Center, which is a 10-story modern state-of-the-art high-quality hospital that we are going to put up here at Tagum. And lastly, we have this Iho Seaport, okay? And all of this you can experience, plus it is even made better because of Camella Homes, Tagum City. Camella Homes continues its commitment in creating master planned communities, bringing you a fusion of high-end residential experience and an upscale exclusivity, with private and safe residence just a few minutes away from just around everywhere. Camella Homes ensures that the residents enjoy the quality of life in sync with the urban city standard while maintaining a close touch to life's daily essentials. Camella Homes maintain close proximity to schools, churches, hospitals, and malls just less than a kilometer away. In Camella, you make the most out of your investment, buying not only a home but a community and a lifestyle. Once a small town, now seeing a new dawn of modern city, overflowing lifestyle like never before, made possible by Camella, a Vistaland company which is also consecutively recognized for its unparalleled feat of building quality homes for all the Filipinos. Discover Camella Tagum, discover Tagum City.